So in this video, I want to show you how to get a dashboard started. So we created our two layers, our hotspots and just the building permits. So if we turn that off, you can see our building permits. So now let's create a dashboard. So if we go up here and we click on open this, these are all the different web applications that can be created. For our purposes here, we want to create a dashboard. So I already have some dashboards in here, but what we're going to do, you should not have any in here. So we create dashboard, and we'll give it a title. Call it Seattle Permits 2015 through 2023. Copy that. We can give it a tag if you want, summary. And then this is where it's going to be saved to. You can save it to my Seattle building permits if I want, or there. And then we say create. So then we come to this window here, and it gives you some overviews of, you can read about documentation, learn about dashboards. But what we want to do is we want to click on this button here, and we want to start out with just a map. So now all the web apps, all the web maps that you've created in this class or any classes, you can add. For us, we want to use the Seattle residential permits. And here they'll give us some tools that we can include in the map. So let's make sure we have, so the viewers have a legend. Layer visibility, this will allow us to turn on and off those two layers. Maybe we want them to be able to switch a base map, and maybe we want them to search. So we'll start with those and say done. And so now we have our map. If we go up to legend, we have our legend, and notice here in our legend that we've changed so we don't have these underscores, so it looks a little bit nicer, a little neater. We have permits. We can then go to our layer, and we can turn off the hotspots, and we'll just keep the Seattle residential buildings. And then we can change the base map if we want. So this is how we start the interface here of creating the map. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you save this. And now it's saved. In the next video, I'll show you these different various tools and the ones that we will be using to create our dashboard.